If you ever come to Columbia and for Soldier Fit, don't park next to this motherfucker right here. This is what he did. I don't know if you can see that. But he did that shit. Fucking asshole. I should have scratched his shit up. But on my way to go home and get dressed for this meet. Get him all showing up and shit. Yeah, with someone reliable. But yeah, we're trying to find this parking right shit. Alright, so I'm here. I'm not gonna vlog much of me mostly taking pictures. I'm probably vlogging a little bit.
I want it all, and playing ball like Monopoly, and own properties, can't nobody stop it. Everyone has their needs, dog, I have my own. I want a house on them hills I can call my home. A stash house to lay low when them times get rough. A false address comes in handy to avoid them cuffs. I can bet your life's tough, can you imagine mine? I can say I'm doing great, G, I'm doing alright. Recognize that your trash is another man's treasure. Fool, where you from? I bang the 20th letter. Get your cheddar, count them up, even if it's months. Take your time, baby boy, don't come out and stump. Put a front to these 5-0, especially your rivals. Plant your seed and make it grow just like some hydro. See, I know it ain't easy, but you gon' want a lot of things when you start to come up. I want it all. I'm a ball like I'm Kobe. Get money anyways, it's like G, you know I want it all. In the hills blowing smoke, having drinks, sharing toast with my family and folks. I want it all. I'm a ball like Monopoly, and on properties, can't nobody stop it. I hold the smoke before I let it go and think to myself how I went from doing bad to doing so well. Used to live in Motel 6 with my family and kids. I just added to my timeline, it is what it is. Barely had enough area to buy some food. Coffee bean, heated water for our ramen soup. That's for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We were cold for the summer and hot for the winter. No sweater. Having drinks, sharing toast with my family and folks. I want it all. I'm a ball like Monopoly, and no properties, ain't nobody stop. I want it all. I want it all, I'm a ball like or jacket to wear for the weather. Mama worried cause her son repped that 20th letter. But I still did my thing and I helped out. To you hating jealous people, where you at now? Many wished I failed, plenty hoped I derailed. Used to work hard for my money, now I get it in the mail. I'm above all of y'all, I was born a ball. Didn't give a fuck then, now I want it all. I want it all. I'm a ball like I'm Kobe, get money anyways, it's like G, you know I want it all. In the hills blowing smoke, having drinks, sharing toast with my family and folks. I want it all. I'm a ball like Monopoly, and on properties, ain't nobody stop. I want it all. I want it all. I'm a ball like I'm Kobe. Get money anyways, it's like G, you know me. My plan is to do big things. Give a C-note to the clerk and let her keep the change. Sounds strange to us gutter fool, I know it does. Few years, a couple months, but I'm still coming up. Hard work pays off, that's what they said. Should I be laying in my bed when these flows come to my head? Naturally, I'm a fool, I got plenty of talent. Everyone has their own, they just don't take advantage. Get it right, get it good, like a real one should. So when they ask how you doing, it's like all to the good. Can't lie, I'm doing bad, let this mix release. 2 weeks after that, you can go and ask me what the streets been feeling. Gee, I had to do it. Brought to you by me and it's gutter music. I want it.
So we left. I got footage, but it was like mostly on my camera. Yeah, had a great time. Shout out to Kleen Edition. Shout out to Jay. Thank you so much for having us. I left. I wanted to get like exhaust competition footage, but like people were just. It's not that serious, bro. Like it's not that serious.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation. Cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation. Keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.